morning, it's Shay with Tidy Style, and today we're going to show you an on-the-job bathroom organization. So we'll teach you each of our steps and we'll just let you follow along on one of our jobs. So let's get started. Okay, so we did a full clear and categorize into major or just more general categories. So we just throw like all makeup into one bin, all hair into one bin. Now when we go to contain, we are going to micro categorize and put it like all lip stuff, all eye stuff, so that it's easier to do your morning routine.
When organizing drawers, we look at our categories, decide what's going to be going into that drawer, and then decide what size of drawer bins we need for that drawer. Once we decide that, we place it and make sure everything fits perfect before we pull off our stickers.
One of our favorite bathroom products is from the Container Store. They are now called Stacks, but they were called Finds, so they have both labeling on them right now, but they come in all different sizes and they have wheels on the bottom and they're divided and stackable. So this really maximizes the space under the sink. So we will show you how to best use these.
Depending on the amount of product you have, you can either use a turntable or the stack as well. Both are great options. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found all of these tips helpful. Check out our description for a full product list and let us know what you think in the comments. If you are looking for more inspo, check out our Instagram at Tidy Style Home. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.